Hello everyone. Today I'm climbing. Where I am, I'm in Bicol in mountain, Albay, Luzon. Why I come here? Because people say here it's like Bukidnon in Mindanao, or like New Zealand. So I want to see. We will climb 2 hours. Today it's little sun or raining. We are Saturday, so video will be, I think, tomorrow Sunday. So the plan today is very muddy. So if you want to come here, you need to have shoes, because there they going asphalt the road, but now no asphalt, it's only mud. So I know that, so I have very bad shoes for the mud. Here it's better. So going to the top, 2 hours climbing. Is 65 kilometers from Legazpi city. So I will stop to record because here you need to be careful. It's dangerous. So why I not vlog 1 week? Because this week I booked scooter. So I will show you the scooter, because very interesting for someone who want to find a best scooter cheap for travel. Because you have scooter like Honda Beat, Honda Click, but this one is for seat, it's not for traveling. So I will show what I booked, and price is very good price. But now I don't have the plate. I wait the plate next week. But when I get the plate, I will show you the scooter. I will go out and I will show you the scooter. And with the scooter, I have planned to travel Haiti to province of Philippines. Yeah, I hope it will take me maybe 10 years, I don't know. But I hope 1-2 years with this scooter. After, I hope to buy a car. Let's see. So now, let's go. So if you want to see what is climbing here, very muddy and not funny. Let's see after, maybe better. So let's continue. I'm still not on the top. Oh my gosh. Look, many kilometers forest. Yeah, like Bukidnon. One mountain, so many palms. So let's continue to the top. So near the top, you see, it's like look like Bukidnon. Forest, many palm. So it takes like 1 hour 30 to going there, very hard. So that's why I not show my face. I'm so sweating. So let's go to the top, few hundred meters. So here I show you another point of view in the top, because it's 360 views. Look this bed, very beautiful here. Wow. Mountain. Big wind in my face. Yeah, I like that, because when I climbed, no wind in my face, it was so hot. Now it's refreshing. So going in the top, my friends say we have 360-degree views, but I know that because I saw on YouTube. No tourists here. Why? So here I show you 360-degree views, and most beautiful is this part. Very beautiful. So Bukidnon in Mountain Isle Bay. You need to drive in mountain like 30 kilometers because you see, if you want to go down, it's very far. It's many kilometers. So now we will relax a little with my friend going New Zealand next week. So after the plan, we will go to the beach in Legao. It's near here. I don't know, because first we must drive mountain, so maybe 30 kilometers, I don't know. But Legao, it's next to Bukidnon, Legao City. I already recall Legao Center. You can check in my oldest video where is the train between Bicol, where I take the train Legao City to Polangi. But today I'm going to beach. I want to swim. So today we start today. I hope Thursday next week I get my temporary plate for driving my scooter. And when I get my plate, I will show you my scooter. And I will speak more in this video, but I have planned to visit 82 province. I will go to Baguio, I will go to Ilocos, I will go everywhere I can. And you know, when I going someplace, I explore everywhere. You know, there is some foreigner, they come here, Legazpi, they don't go Mayon, they don't go, there is so many places to explore. I don't understand, people come Legazpi and they only go SM and Ayala Mall, and after they return in USA or in Canada or going another place. Yeah, if you're going SM, you saw nothing Legazpi City. There's so many things to do and to see Legazpi City. You can see in my channel. So also I want to say thank you, because now we are already 1041 subscribers last evening. So thank you for your support. 80% of my followers is Filipino, so thank you to them, because you know, most of foreigners, I check over channel, they say they have a very little Filipino, because you know, here I respect all the laws Philippine, you know, there's some foreigner channel, really what they do, they play with a flag Philippine, you know, I don't like that, it's illegal. But me, I respect always the laws. Yeah. Sometimes people, yeah, 1-2 times people insult me when I say the truth about Boracay. But I'm sorry, I will not lie, I say the truth. About the green algae. So now we'll eat little bread after going to beach. I'm so excited to going beach. I'm happy it's not sunny, because when it's you climbing and the sun in your face, oh my gosh, it's too hard. So before going down, my friend wants to go in there. Let's look, it will be rain. mountain is the same when I was in Bicol, if you saw my video. And there you can see ocean, but I will try to see. Maybe where we go swimming, I don't know. Because Bukidnon is also beach. But in Bukidnon beach, not okay. I think it's black sand here in Bukidnon. And me, I like white sand, pink sand. Oh, I think also nice view here. Ah, you can sit there. Nice. I will sit there just to show you. And I look because it's my first time. But you know, when it's sunny, it's more beautiful. Whoa, whoa, it's going very down. It's a little scary. Very nice. So now I will go down, I will relax a little first. Very beautiful. Look, I want to show you here, you can see Masbate, but I don't know in camera, very far. You see it's my Masbate. There is 3 island Masbate. I have planned to go in Masbate, but I don't know when. I have planned to going with my scooter on the boat and to going like 1 week and to explore all Masbate. So here it's Bukidnon beach, but it's not bad, but it's black sand, and me I like white sand. So it's not bad, but it's only the sand color. So let's go to the beach. So now I'm in Ligao city. I'm in resort Punta Almara, very big resort. Start here to going far. It's very big resort. There's many people coming from Mania to see our beach at Bicol. But the sand is not the best. There is little shell. So I will not record inside the resort because there is music. So I will not go till end the beach because there is music. So you see Punta Almera. So now I will swim because I want to refresh. And I think we will eat here. My friend wants to eat here. So we'll see what they propose in the restaurant. So now I will swim. So back from beach, you can see all red. Now in restaurant, we will eat before we turn the Gaspi city. I will show you here. It's very beautiful. So that is the restaurant, the beach. You can see here like party, but you know it's not too much people because now it's rainy season. But I think in summer they do concert like that, or maybe in the evening. I don't know because now it's 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 30 because we go 8 a.m. morning. I see people from Mania vlogging. I see how they wear when they are not from here because I know people here. So we'll eat the ship here. After we will return to the Gaspi city. So I think that's all for today.